Northern Kentucky is one of America's most saturated communities for heroin abuse. The statistics are staggering, but for these kids, like most kids, experimentation starts with tobacco, alcohol, and marijuana use. So as friends and family gather to celebrate the passage of young years, remember that for many of these kids, their use will begin between the ages of 10 and 13. Heroin scares us, and it should. Here are the facts. According to the 2013 Trust for America's Health Report, Kentucky ranked third in the nation for drug overdose deaths. In Northern Kentucky, the number of overdose deaths doubled between 2010 and 2012 from 31 to 61, and they will double again by the close of 2014. These are needless, senseless, tragic deaths, and the majority of those overdoses happen to young people under the age of 25. In fact, in 2011, nearly 8% of 12th graders in Kentucky reported that they had used heroin one or more times, 3 times the U.S. rate. These facts tell us that we're fighting one of America's most devastating cases of heroin infestation, right here, on our tree-lined cul-de-sacs and in our beautiful schools, and maybe, quite possibly, in the home next to yours. Your home, even. That's just the fact. The heroin epidemic is like a powerful storm tearing through our community, and there is no simple answer for turning it around. Just as many factors have led to this epidemic, ending it will require all of us to work together to create strategies even stronger than the storm. And like most things, some strategies mean more funding, more people willing to volunteer, and more people to advocate for much-needed policies. The truth is, prevention must start even before the candle is placed on their first birthday cake. Because for far too many of these kids, the birthday celebrations aren't going to last beyond their late teens or early 20s. For them, the party will be over. At drugfreenky.org, we're determined to rid this community of the heroin pestilence, and we have a plan to make that happen. Go to our site to learn more.